Hey guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just a disclaimer, it's extremely hot in Toronto right now, so if you see all these sweat particles on my face, please excuse them. But I'm currently recording in it's like 30 degrees inside my house and outside, and I can't do anything about it. But anyways, in today's video, I'm going to be doing my first Ipsy unboxing, and I'm so excited because I've been waiting for this package for so long. In fact, I have a story behind Ipsy and this package. This package is for July, okay? This package right here is from July. It's now August, okay? And this is the second package that I had sent to me, and there's actually a third one being sent to me right now. The first time I created my Ipsy account, I put my address and I put the wrong apartment number. So I changed it immediately, but they still sent it out to the wrong address. So it was sent back to Ipsy. I contacted them, they got back to me, or whatever the case may be. And then yeah, they had another one sent out. When it was sent out again, the post office here decided that they were going to give my package to somebody else. So I don't know how eventually some days later my mom called me and was like, hey, there's a package here for you. And I was just like, okay. So there was actually an investigation going on to get to the bottom of how my package disappeared, because somebody signed for it and they were obviously not Zoe Brown, and it was obviously not my apartment number, but somebody had signed for it anyways. So there's another package coming to me. So I guess when that package comes, I'll unbox that as well, because they said it might not be the same products, and they were also going to throw in something additional in there for me as well. And then I have my August one coming too. So yeah, so there'll be more unboxings. But anyways, let's get to July. I'm really excited. So anyways, yeah, I just got this, picked it up today, and I'm like, yes, I'm gonna record when I go home. Oh, hold on. So anyways, yeah, so let's get into it. So yeah, you have this, you know, your Ipsy package. This part comes with your address and stuff on it. All right, open it. Okay. Wait, is this for? This is actually August. I'm so dumb. This is August Glam. How did it come before July's? How did August come before July? Anyways, so I open it and it says this, Sugar Highness. That's what the card looks like. And it says, live that fantasy. Pop the champagne cans. Deck yourself in ring pops. Get gorgeously glammed up and dip into everyday decadence gone wildly galore. Ipsy August Glam Bag hashtags. Let it rain. Tips, tricks, and how-tos. Learn how to use your glam bag goodies at ipsy.com/glambag. And then this Ipsy stylist at Christian Dominique. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And this is the bag. It's so cute. Yeah, if the video was choppy, it's because my phone keeps that overheating and shutting off. But this is the bag. It's a little mermaid getting her eyebrows or eyelashes done and her hair brushed and stuff. That's the back, the zipper, and then let's see what's inside. Is there anything else? No? Nothing? Okay. Jesus. Oh God. Jesus. It's hot. All right. The first thing, I got is this. It's Gold Black Caviar Essence and Gold Tox Tightening Pack. A new quick and easy treatment trial concentrated with Gold Black Caviar, multivitamin, and low temperature preserved. Nature-derived extracts, exfoliates and peels away rough and dull-looking dead skin cells, and renews skin to bare perfection while functional ingredients penetrate more actively. It's designed with 3 layers structured of 100% cotton gauze sheet and cushion sheet, ripple sheet. Okay, so that's what that is. You guys. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Okay, then next I get this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Liquid Lipstick. Y'all know I be loving lipsticks. So let's see. Ooh, and this is a shade that I would actually buy. That is so cool. This is Lipgasm. Okay, bye. Like literally it says K bye. I love it. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Next we have by Mark Anthony, Nourishing Argan Oil of Morocco, sulfate-free, deep hydrating conditioning treatment. Exotic argan oil and keratin restore, fortify, and nourish weak, dry, damaged hair. Protects color, use weekly. Okay, so this is for your hair. It says after shampooing, apply to wet hair, leave on for 3 to 7 minutes, rinse hair thoroughly. Okay, so we got that. And then we got Formula X nail color. I always see people in their Ipsy reviews complaining about how they always have nail polish and it's always in colors that they'll never wear. I'm never good at these boxes. I'm always oh, this is a cute little peachy nudie color. Yeah, I got this Formula X nail color in doll face. Really cute color. I can't really put it on because I have nail polish on myself, but it's a really cool pinkish nude color. Ipsy just knew me actually. It's really good because this is the colors that I would normally pick in these things, like the lip color and stuff like that. And then lastly, ooh, I got a liquid illuminator from Illuminator. Had to pin it up. Sorry, guys. Almost forgot. I got a NYX Born to Glow liquid illuminator, and this is in the color Sunbeam. I'm really excited about the liquid illuminator. You guys know I'm like trying to get into, not really become a guru or anything, but at least pretty up myself when we're ready. Well, that goes on really nice, actually. I don't know if you guys can see it. You see it? So really pretty. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with this! And I love NYX. Like, I love NYX already. So I'm really happy with my bag. I guess they want us to feel like, whatever. But I'm gonna pop my champagnes. Or whatever, Ipsy. Thank you very much. At least I got my August bag. I don't have to complain to y'all about that. And whatever. So, yeah. So I'll see you guys again sometime later on this month with July's Ipsy bags. And, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are with Ipsy as well and you guys got your August Glam bags, let me know what you guys got, if we got the same stuff. Let me know how to use them. Come in or no, I'm a fool to makeup. Me never do them something before. So yeah, and like I said, I'll see you guys in my next Ipsy unboxing video. Until then, bye.